everything I buy these days has got a foreign name.
I'm the kind of car I drive.
She looks good in her tight bikini.
Now this is the combine here.
She bought from Mexico.
And she loves wearing French
Instead
perfume
of tying those bundles
everywhere we go.
But when it comes to the loving part, one thing is true.
tell you what, it's exciting out there.
My baby genuine USA.
This is probably
Red, white,
I
and
wonder the
blue.
only time
You're not recording this.
I've ever been out here.
My baby is American.